Hi everyone, welcome to Wizard's YouTube channel. Today, I'll show you how to listen to and download Audible audiobooks on a Windows PC. First, open your browser and go to audible.com. Sign in and head to your library. Click Listen Now, and the audiobook will start playing.
Easier because I knew what to expect of my day. Mike came to sit by me in English and walked me to my next.
If you want to download the book, click the download button. To play the downloaded file, you need to open it with iTunes. Make sure you're signed in to your Apple ID and that your Audible account is authorized. Then add the AAX file to iTunes and switch to the audiobook section. However, some users may find that the audiobook won't play in iTunes, which can be frustrating. If you want a more reliable and easier way to download and play Audible books, you can try Wizard Audible Audiobook Converter. This program comes with a built-in Audible player, so you can access all your books directly. Just click the green plus button and select the audiobook you want to download. Set the output format and audio quality, and pick an output folder. Then click Convert. Once it's done, you'll get DRM-free audio files on your Windows PC.
Audible Studios present.
You can play them with Windows Media Player, other audio players, or transfer them to other devices with no playback limits. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.